and for today's video I thought it was time that we made some more slime. You guys really enjoy my slime videos and I really love making them because slime is just one of the most fun things in the world to make and to play with. So today we are going to be making fluffy slime, and this is a really fun slime. I definitely think it is my favorite slime I've ever made. I had so much fun playing with it and I'm just so obsessed with it. Now if you didn't see my last video or you don't keep up with me on social media, then you wouldn't know that I changed my hair. So as you can see, I've completely changed my hair and I actually filmed the entire transformation. So if you would like to see that video, I will leave a link to it at the end of this video and I will also leave a link to it in the description box. Now as some of you know, I'm holding a giveaway on my Instagram each month this year, and we just started the March giveaway where I'm giving away a blue Polaroid camera just like the one back there and also other fun things. So if you would like to enter that March giveaway, make sure you head over to my Instagram and follow me and then you can enter the giveaway. I feel like there was more I wanted to say. Oh yeah, if you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you head over to my Twitter and follow me because I'm having so much fun on Twitter at the moment. I'm on Twitter every single day and I read all of your tweets and all of my mentions. So if you want to come hang out with me on Twitter, then make sure you just come and follow me and then we can be best friends. Now if this is my first video that you're seeing, then hello, my name is Jillian and I'm so happy that you have found my channel. And if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then make sure you click that subscribe button to see more videos. Now I definitely think it's time that we make the fluffiest and most fun slime ever, so let's begin. Alrighty, let's make some fluffy slime. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to mix together some borax and water. So in a jug, add 1 cup of warm water, and then to this add 1 teaspoon of borax and just mix this together until all the borax has dissolved. And then just set the borax mixture aside because we're going to be using it later on. So then just grab a bowl, and this is what we're going to be mixing our slime in, and then you're going to need some PVA school glue. So just take half a cup of the glue, and I use Elmer's glue, and then just add this to the bowl. And now for the ingredient that is going to make our slime really fluffy and airy and light, just take half a cup of shaving cream and add this to the glue. And I love this part because it looks like whipped cream. Now you will also need half a cup of foaming hand wash or hand soap, and this is just going to make it even fluffier, and I picked a hand soap that smelled amazing, so it also made my slime smell really good. So then once you've added these ingredients, just mix them together and it seriously looks like whipped cream. It's so magical and fluffy. Now you'll need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and this is just going to thicken our slime, and also it's going to make it hold its shape better when we start to play with it. So now just add in a couple of pumps of body lotion or hand lotion, and this is just going to make our slime nice and stretchy. So now it's time to make our slime a really fun color. Now you can leave it plain white if you like, but you know me and I love to make everything bright. So here I'm just adding some purpley violet lilac food coloring to the slime and just mixing it in so you can color your slime whatever color you like. Then just go ahead and grab your borax mixture and add a little bit at a time. As you can see, I'm only adding about a teaspoon at a time and then mixing it in. And then once your slime mixture starts to thicken and it gets to this consistency here, you can just go ahead and take it out of the bowl and start working it with your hands. And the more you work it, the more it'll come together and the less sticky it will become. But if you haven't added enough mixture and it's still far too sticky, just go ahead and add a little bit more borax and then continue working it with your hands. So now you should have this super amazing and super fluffy slime, and the consistency of the slime is so amazing. I'm so obsessed with it and it was so much fun to play with. And as you can see here, when I pulled the slime apart, you could see all these little air bubbles, and that's what makes the slime so nice and fluffy. Now you guys know how much I love slime, so I definitely had to go ahead and make a few more colors, and so I just went ahead and mixed up another slime mixture and just added all the same ingredients, and I love how easy and quick this slime was to make. And can you guys guess what color this slime is going to be? Dun dun dun, this slime is going to be pink! It's going to be pink! Of course it's going to be pink. I love this slime so much. It turned out such a pretty cotton candy pink and it seriously looked so beautiful. So I just added the borax mixture again, and because at the beginning we make so much borax mixture, you can just keep using it because you only need the tiniest amount when you make your slime. Every relation is a struggle these days. I loved the texture of this pink slime. As you can see here, it just looks really smooth and really light and fluffy. And I just love this one so much. And I love squishing it as well. That also is really, really fun.
Love should be a joy.
And now to store your slime, just store it in an airtight container and then it should last for a few days. So you can still keep playing with it a few days later, which is really awesome. So here I mixed all the colors of my slime together and made this really pretty unicorn rainbow slime mixture, which was so beautiful to look at, and I'm so obsessed with this one. It's just so magical. And then here I found these really awesome miniature foam beads, and they're like all different bright colors, and I thought this would be so much fun to mix into the slime. So I just placed some on top of the slime and then began mixing it in, and this just gave the slime such a fun and different texture, and I really love this one. It was really different and I had so much fun.
Gotta keep 'em alive, but we throw 'em away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy.
This slime was so much fun to play with. It felt so cool in my hands and it was just such a different and unique texture, and I love the way it looked in the purple slime with the little colors of the beads popping through. So I hope you guys loved all these slimes. I'm so obsessed with them all and I can't wait to make more. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun making this video. Seriously, anything that involves slime just makes me so happy. If you liked the video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can